Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I've been solving math problems out of this book, the GMAT review book, the official guide. I hope that you own one. If you don't, you buy one immediately. If you're preparing for GMAT, you can buy it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve appears on page number 160. Number 67, problem solving, number 67. Let's take a look at it. It's important that you have the book in front of you, because when I read the problem to you, you will not be able to follow it just by my reading it. Excuse me. You will have some difficulty following it if you just listen to me, because it's easier if you have the book in front of you. For one thing, and I don't want to shock you, but I do have a slight accent. Don't want to shock anybody though. If a stock is sold 3 months, if the stock is sold 3 months after it is purchased, the formula above relates P, D, S, and R, where P is the purchase price. Let's put down the formula first. Here's your R. So there's your formula. All you have to do is plug in the numbers, plug in the values of the variable that they give you, and that's it. So P is the purchase price of the stock. This is what you're buying it for. D is the dividend that you're going to receive on the stock. R is the selling price, the price at which you're going to sell the stock, and that's all it is. The question simply is, and R, of course, is the rate of return, which is what they're calling the yield or rate of return, whatever you want to call it. Rosa purchased $400 worth of stock and received a dividend of $5, and she sold it at $4.20. The question is, what's her return? Let's find out. This is the formula. That's all I have to do. I just have to use the formula. Don't do anything else to it. The formula is given to us. Just take the value. So she purchased it for how much? Rosa purchased $400 worth of stock. All right. So she purchased it for $400. See, wherever I see P, I replace it with 400. That's her purchase price, P, right here. What did she receive in dividends? She received a dividend of $5. So she received a dividend of $5. And what did she sell it for? She sold it for $420. What was the yield on her investment according to the formula? Assume that she paid no commissions. Well, that's very nice. That's all. But let's find out. So 420 plus 5 is 425. This is 420. 420 plus 5 is 425 minus 400 is 25. Well, this is too simple. This is too silly. This is too silly. That's it, we're done. Her rate of return was 25%. The answer is E. Don't make it complicated by thinking that it's a return on 3 months and so forth, so on and so forth, and I need to convert it to a yearly basis and so forth. No. The formula is there, your job is to just plug in, because you read the problem, see what it says. If stock is sold 3 months after it is purchased, the formula above, they tell you that this is the formula. Formula above relates the purchase price, the dividends, the sale price, and the rate of return. And that's it. They tell you this is the formula. Just plug in the values and get the answers. That's all. Our answer is E. Her rate of return is 25%. Her rate of return is 25%, which makes sense if you think about it, because she earned $25. Had she earned $25 in 1 year, on 100, for 1 year, the rate of return would have been 25% for a year. But this is only for 3 months, but at the same time she invested 4 times the amount. So she earned 25. That's why people make it complicated. It's all there. It's not a return on $100, it's a return on $400. That $400 negates the fact that the return is on 1 quarter, not 4 quarters. So they wash each other out. That's all. I hope you understood it. Send me an email if you wish to purchase the DVDs of the math problems that I have, all the math problems in the GMAT, or if you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring. I'm located in Connecticut. And if you wish to get these clips right away as soon as I upload them on the YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Alright? Thank you.